Hello all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to our channel Lavish Learners. In the previous video of C tutorial, we have learned history of C and introduction to C. In history of C, we have discussed 2 points. We have learned 2 points, and that is Dennis Ritchie introduced C language. He introduced C to develop Unix operating system. This is what we have learned in the previous video. So one of our subscriber asked me to mention at what laboratory C was introduced. It was introduced by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Telephone Laboratory, guys. The name of the laboratory was Bell Telephone Laboratory. They also suggested me to reduce the duration of video. The previous video was almost, I think, 12 to 13 minutes long. So asked to upload 6 minutes video and the remaining content to be continued in another video. So as of our subscriber request and suggestion, C language, structure of C language will be having 2 parts or 3 parts. So the content will be divided into 2 to 3 videos. So now you're watching structure of C part 1 and part 2, part 3 videos will be uploaded next within 24 hours of gap. So let's start basic structure of C language. You can see here guys, basic structure of C language. Here you can see documentation section, link section, definition section, global declaration section, main function, and subprogram section. These are the 6 important sections to write a C code. So let's learn basic structure of C in detail. Firstly, documentation section. Okay, documentation part. Documentation part consists a set of comment lines. Okay, comment lines. Documentation part is for writing a comment. Comments are not compulsion to write, but it is recommended to write, as writing a comment makes programmer to understand the code. So okay, comments are written in documentation part, documentation section, that is okay. But what comment is? Comments are normal text, general text, which is written in code in a program. By adding comments to your code, you can just explain how your code, how your program is functioning. As I said, comments are not compulsory, it is not necessary, it is just recommended. You can add comments according to your convenience and to your code, okay? But how to write a comment, how to add comments to your code. So comments are of 2 types. You have two types of comments, single line comment and multi-line comment. Okay, to write a single line comment, multi-line comment, you need to follow a proper syntax. Okay, single line comment, multiple line comment syntax. Let's discuss detail about these. So firstly, single line comment. To write a single line comment in a new line, add 2 forward slashes. Okay, you can see here 2 forward slash. Okay, give 2 forward slash and write your text, write your statement, write your comment. Okay, this is what syntax of single line comment is. Let's see an example for it. I want to add a comment that welcome to Lavish Learners YouTube channel. I want to write the statement, okay, as a comment. So how can I write? Here you can see 2 forward slashes. Welcome to Lavish Learners YouTube channel. This is what our comment is, single line comment. If you want to add a multiple lines, okay, you want to write multiple lines, this is only a single comment. For writing a multiple lines of statements, you will be having multi-line comment. Okay, the syntax is like this: forward slash star and star forward slash. It is closed by star and the forward slash. In between, you can write a text, write a statement. Okay, for example, I want to write a welcome to in a one line, and in the next line I want to add Lavish Learners channel. So you can write like this. Okay, first start your comment with forward slash followed by star and write your statement and close the comment with star and forward slash. Okay, this is what multi-line comment is. So remember guys, comments are not compiled by the compiler. What compiler, you know that already, right? Compiler converts human code to a machine readable code, okay? But compiler doesn't compile the comments, okay? Single line comment, multiple line comments are not compiled. So this documentation section is just for increasing readability of code, okay? If you like the video, give a big thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel Lavish Learners. The part 2, part 3 video will be uploaded next. So until then, guys, wait for the video and thanks for watching.